Hello everyone, this is Anks in Crochet. Today we will crochet a bow hairband. The thread used milk cotton yarn, 4 strands of milk cotton and a 2.5 crochet hook. Okay, let's start now. We start with chain stitch. We crochet 85 chain stitches. We'll do this until we have 85. Okay, 85 chain stitches are completed. Then we start a new chain stitch. Then crochet 3 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then leave 1 stitch empty. And then 5 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then leave 1 stitch empty. And then crochet 5 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then leave 1 stitch empty. And crochet 5 single crochet stitches. Leave 1 stitch empty, and crochet 5 single crochet stitches. Just repeat. We've reached here, 3 single crochet stitches left. Then we crochet the remaining 3 single crochet stitches. Just hook 3 single crochet stitches. Then we'll continue crocheting. Okay, 5 single crochet stitch. And leave 1 empty stitch. Then cut the thread and change color. We crochet a bow. We insert the needle into the first stitch here. Then crochet for chain stitches. Four chain stitches. Then hook triple crochet stitch. Insert the hook into the empty stitch. And hook these 3. Triple crochet stitch or wrap twice on the hook. Then hook to chain stitches. 3 crochet 3 triple crochet stitch in the same hole. Repeat this way until you reach the end. This is the side we are crocheting now. Okay, we crochet to the end. We will crochet last stitch. We crochet a triple crochet stitch. Then crochet for chain stitches. Then come to this side and press down the thread. And hook it on the first stitch. We crochet a triple crochet stitch. Then 1 by 1 in this in the hole. The same pattern. and crochet one by one. This is a bow flower pattern. We crochet it like this. Crochet to the end. Crochet for chain stitches at the end. Then pull the thread here and cut it. Then take out this khaki thread. And crochet 45 slip stitches. Start here. Hook 45 stitches. Just like this, we crochet 14 stitches. Then back hook single crochet stitches. 1 stitch to 1 stitch. Crochet here. The other side is the same way. Hook to here. Finally, we'll pull the thread. Count 1 and cut the thread. Here is a hairband. We crochet in the same way here. Okay, this hairband is done. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Crochet with me together.